Hi folks, Toad here with Visordown.com, and we are above the clouds in stunning Tenerife. So we're on the Rocket 3 press ride, or world press launch of the new Rocket 3 2500cc behemoth. We're about an hour in, so we've been hammering up some lovely little switchback mountain roads just to get up to the first coffee stop. And I am suitably impressed so far. For a bike that's so big and fairly weighty, you don't really notice it on the move. It is obviously all engine. I mean, that is an absolute beast of an engine. But all of the weight of the bike is kind of in that, and also the shaft drive down there. So it's all kind of held really quite low. Triumph have done a lot of work to make this Rocket 3 a much better bike than the old one. Well, the old one was very bad, but overall the bike is a lot lighter. The frame is all new, and that has shed about 11 kilograms over the old bike just from the frame alone. So far, very impressed. Stuck it in sport mode. It's got 4 riding modes, including a rider configurable one. But yeah, we've been in sport mode, and it is just an absolute torque monster. 200 odd Newton meters of torque, which I think is more than some of the small capacity Ford Transit vans that you can buy. So it is an absolute torque beast. Cold tyres, traction control turned off, and in a straight line you will override the amount of grip that the back tyre's got, and it will just spin. Once the tyres get up to temperature, and they're these specially built Avon Cobras that Triumph and Avon have worked together on, just especially for this bike. Once they get up to temperature, they're fine, but when it's cold, it's a lively experience, shall we say. So there are 2 versions that we're riding here on the press launch. This is the R version, which is more sort of sports focused, sports orientated, so R for roadster, I guess. The other one that we've also got our hands on is the GT. Spec wise, they're pretty much the same. The GT has a slightly taller seat, so it's a bit plusher, and there's also a sort of a kick up at the back of the seat as well for your pillion, and it comes with an adjustable backrest. The GT also has slightly more swept back bars, whereas this one's kind of a bit more of a sort of arms outstretched forward sort of riding position. So yeah, that's it. First coffee stop of the day. The weather is glorious, so it looks like we're very lucky there's not going to be any rain, and I will check back with you when I've got another update. Cheers folks.